explain thermal relays construction and its working with neat sketch. So it works on the principle of this strain generated due to the unequal linear expansion of linear expansion of two different metals of a bimetallic strip as a result of heat generated by the passage of the fault current through the coil. So two different metallic strip of different type of coefficient of expansion, that is linear expansion, are used and mechanically connected together. Like the materials may be brass and invar. Invar is the iron and nickel combination alloy. Steel and copper, brass and steel. These combinations are used due to the large difference in the expansion, which ensures the sufficient bending of the strip. A resistive coil made up of copper is kept near the strip. You can see this. This is the copper coil wound. This is the heater coil made up of copper through which the current is passing through. The current flowing through the coil for certain amount of time produces the heat. According to the I square into R into T, the heat produces, and this causes the expansion accordingly. The first metal above here connected is the low coefficient of expansion type of metal, and the below one, that is AB here marked, is high coefficient of expansion type of metal. So whenever the fault current passes, this bends like this. You can visualize this. So the strip bends due to the different coefficient of linear expansion, and the contacts made up of, that is silver or silver alloys, are open, close or change over with the lever arrangement. It provides the protection against prolonged overloading in the equipment, certainly for generator, motor, etc. So basically it is for the motor protection. The overload protection is the time delayed one. It is not the instantaneous one, because the expansion takes some time. So this will fully exploit the overloading capacity of the motor. This is how the thermal relay can be constructed. It is very simple one, and the working is also very simple, and it is based on the linear expansion or the linear coefficient of the expansion of the two different alloys or metals with the help of the heating coil and current passing through it. So this is how the thermal relays construction and working with a neat sketch can be explained.